In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Steam initialization failed error on your computer. If you're watching this, chances are you've encountered an issue with launching Steam and you need a quick solution. Don't worry, I've got you covered. This process is straightforward and should take no more than 5 minutes. First, we need to ensure that Steam is completely closed. Head over to the icon tray at the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see the Steam icon there. Right click on it and select Exit Steam. This step is essential because it ensures that Steam is not running in the background, which might interfere with the troubleshooting process. Now, let's navigate through your desktop. In the search bar, simply type in Steam. You'll see the Steam application appear in the search results. Right click on it and choose Open File Location. This will direct you to the folder where Steam is installed on your system. Once you're in the Steam folder, right click again and select Open File Location. This is an extra precaution to ensure that we have the right directory open. Now you need to find the Steam application within this folder. When you locate the Steam executable file, right click on it and select Properties. A new window will pop up. Here, click on the Compatibility tab. You'll see an option that says Run this program in compatibility mode 4. Check this box to enable it. From the drop down menu that appears, select Windows 8. Compatibility mode can sometimes resolve issues related to program launching by mimicking the environment of an older operating system version. Next, check another box labelled Run this program as an administrator. Running Steam with administrative privileges ensures that the program has all the necessary permissions it needs to operate smoothly and make required changes to your system without any hindrance. Once these options are set, go ahead and click Apply and then OK. These changes ensure that Steam runs with the optimum settings for your system. Finally, restart your computer. This step is crucial as it implements the changes you've made, and often a simple restart can resolve various software initialization problems. After your PC restarts, try launching Steam again. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've likely resolved the Steam initialization failed error. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to check out our other troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching and happy gaming.